Alright, so number 21 on the packet says to find the x and y intercepts. Okay, so in order to find an x-intercept, you're just going to set y equal to 0. And to find a y-intercept, you're basically going to set x equal to 0. Okay, and this is because on the graph, y and x, okay, x-intercepts y is always equal to 0. And y-intercepts x will always be equal to 0. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do is, I guess we'll find the x-intercept first since I wrote it first. Alright, so let's pick a color, blue. Okay, so on blue we're going to find the x-intercept. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to set y equal to 0. So we're going to have 0 equals x square root of 16 minus x squared. Now, special rule, whenever you have two things being multiplied, so we have this x being multiplied with a square root, the answer is 0. This means that one of these has to be 0. So we're going to put x equals 0, and then we're going to take the square root of 16 minus x squared equals 0. Okay, so this one's good. So we have the point 0, comma 0. Okay, over here though we got to do some solving. Right? Simple solving, basically square root of what will give you 0. The inside has to be 0, but we could just do it the long way if you want. So we'll just square both sides. That will get rid of the square root. And we have 16 minus x squared equals 0 squared, which is 0. We'll move that 16 over to the other side. So negative x squared equals negative 16. And then we're just going to go ahead and cross both of these up. So we're going to get x squared equals 16. And then the next thing we're going to do is square root to get rid of this square right here. Very important lesson in calculus. When you take the square root of a number, you get a positive and a negative answer of 4. Okay, so this means that we have two other x-intercepts. Okay, so we have 4 comma 0, and we also have negative 4 comma 0. Okay, so here's our x-intercepts. This point right here, and these two right here. Alright, cool. Alright, y-intercept should be a little bit easier. Y-intercept, what are you going to set equal to 0? You're going to set the x is equal to 0. So it's going to be y equals 0 times the square root of 16 minus 0 squared. Well, 0 times anything is 0. So we have y equals 0, x-intercept 0, 0, y-intercept 0, 0. But as you notice, that is the same as the origin right there. So here are your x-intercepts, and here are your y-intercepts.